The Lutron Caseta smart switches stand out for their reliability, extensive features, and user-friendliness, making them top choices for smart home lighting. Easy to install, these switches don't require a neutral wire, making them suitable for older homes. Clear instructions enhance their accessibility. Lutron Caseta is highly reliable. Users rarely experience disconnections, ensuring consistent performance, ideal for hassle-free automation. The switches are compatible with major smart home platforms like Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings, enhancing integration. The Pico remote offers added convenience by allowing remote light control without relying on the app or voice assistants, perfect for quick adjustments. Scheduling and automation are user-friendly, with features like geofencing to automatically manage lighting based on your location, adding convenience and energy savings. With no neutral wire required, Caseta switches are perfect for older homes, offering a seamless installation experience. While they offer extensive features, Lutron Caseta switches are more expensive and require a smart bridge hub, adding to the overall cost. Some bulbs may also have compatibility issues.